Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. With just days to go before the start of the 2019 Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, a Calabar High School teacher is asking that two of the team's top athletes be suspended from the event after accusing them of assault. In a letter to the media, the teacher is accusing the student athletes of leading a group of about 60 to, among other things, injure the teacher, spilling blood, stomping on the teacher's cell phone, and damaging school property. The teacher, who says he has video evidence of the assault recorded on his cell phone, has also said that after 96 days, there has been no appropriate response from the school's administration. TVJ Sports understands, however, that disciplinary action has already been taken by the school against the students in question. The teacher is scheduled to have a press conference tomorrow where he says the video of the assault will be played.